There is no specific National Electrical Code or NEC limit on the number of ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI receptacles that can be installed on a single circuit in a residential kitchen. However, it's generally recommended to limit the number of GFCI receptacles on a single circuit for practical reasons. Overloading a single circuit with too many devices can increase the risk of nuisance tripping and make troubleshooting more difficult. A reasonable practice is to limit the number of GFCI receptacles to 2 on a single circuit, including the one that protects downstream GFCI receptacles. This approach helps to balance the load and minimize the potential for disruptions. The NEC addresses the specific requirements for kitchen circuits in Article 210.11. Article 210.11 C1 states that at least two 20-amp small appliance branch circuits shall be provided for all receptacle outlets specified by 210.52. A1. This covers countertop receptacles in the kitchen. Regarding the refrigerator, it is not permitted to include the refrigerator on the same 15-amp or 20-amp circuit as the GFCI receptacle serving the countertops. This is because the refrigerator is considered a separate appliance with its own specific power requirements. The NEC requires that refrigerators be supplied by an individual branch circuit, as stated in section 210.23. This requirement ensures that the refrigerator has a dedicated power source and is not affected by other appliances or devices connected to the same circuit. This separation helps to prevent overloading and ensures the reliable operation of the refrigerator. For kitchen countertop receptacles, they must be GFCI protected as per NEC section 210.8. A6. This section requires GFCI protection for all 125 volts, 15 and 20 amp receptacles installed in kitchen countertop areas. GFCI protection helps to prevent electrical shock hazards by detecting ground faults and interrupting the circuit. When installing GFCI receptacles, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and local electrical codes. GFCI receptacles should be tested regularly to ensure they are functioning properly. If a GFCI receptacle trips frequently, it may indicate a ground fault or other electrical problem that needs to be addressed by a qualified electrician. In summary, while there's no specific code limit on the number of GFCI receptacles on a single circuit in a residential kitchen, it's recommended to limit the number for practical reasons. The refrigerator should not be connected to the same circuit as the countertop GFCI receptacles. Always follow the NEC and local electrical codes when installing electrical devices and circuits. Article 210 of the NEC provides requirements for branch circuits. Section 210.4 discusses multi-wire branch circuits, and Section 210.5 covers identification for branch circuits. Section 210.6 covers voltage limitations, and Section 210.7 covers circuits derived from auto transformers. Article 210.8 covers ground fault circuit interrupter protection for personnel. It states in 210.8 that ground fault circuit interrupter protection for personnel shall be provided as required in 210.8. A1 through 210.8. A11. All 125 volt through 250 volt receptacles installed in locations specified in 210.8. A1 through 210.8. A11 and supplied by single-phase branch circuits rated 150 volts or less to ground, 50 amps or less, or three-phase branch circuits rated 150 volts or less to ground, 30 amps or less shall have ground fault circuit interrupter protection for personnel. For dwelling units, 210.8. A6 covers kitchens. All receptacles that serve countertop surfaces shall have GFCI protection. Article 210.11 of the NEC covers branch circuits required, and 210.12 covers arc fault circuit interrupter protection. Section 210.19 covers conductors, specifically the minimum ampacity and size. Section 210.20 covers overcurrent protection, and 210.21 covers outlet devices. Section 210.23 covers permissible loads, and 210.24 covers branch circuit requirements. Section 210.52 covers dwelling unit receptacle outlets. Section 210.52 B covers small appliances, and it states that in the kitchen, countertop receptacle outlet shall be supplied by at least two 20 amp small appliance branch circuits.